Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 8th of December. And first of all, national news. India will soon be ready for $1 trillion exports, Union Minister. From 2017 to 21, 63% candidates who declared UPSC means were from engineering background. Center. Odisha invoked ESMA to ban strike by health department staff. Supreme Court made video on Keshavananda Bharati, verdict available in 10 Indian languages. Government directed sugar mills to not use sugarcane juice for ethanol production to keep prices in check. Levying border adjustment tax to meet green commitments morally wrong, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Revant Reddy took oath as Telangana Chief Minister. Painkiller Meftol can lead to adverse reaction. Government issued alert. Now, international news. Former UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson defended efforts to balance health and economy at COVID-19 inquiry. Indonesia considering visa waivers for 20 countries including US, China, India. Vladimir Putin moved a step closer to a fifth term as president after Russia sets 2024 election date. UN chief used rare power to warn Security Council of impending humanitarian catastrophe in Gaza. UK PM Rishi Sunak is facing party revolt after unveiling new Rwanda asylum plan. Italy reportedly dropped out of China Belt and Road Initiative that failed to deliver. Now some sports news. Mohammad Shami among nominees for ICC Player of Month for November. Afghanistan to tour United Arab Emirates for three-match T20 International Series. Bangladesh versus New Zealand second test. Rain washed out second day play in Mirpur. Former champion Wozniacki awarded one of the first wild cards for 2024 Australian Open. Business related news. Digital economy to contribute 20% of India's GDP by 2026, Union Minister. Stock market snapped 7-day winning run. Sensex fall 132 points. Paytm share plunged 20%. Brokerages raise concerns over decision to slow the postpaid loans. India fastest growing economy, FM Nirmala Sitharaman in Rajya Sabha. And that's all in news. Thank you.